Welcome world history students to the second grading period of class here at Academic Excellence Online. I'm Mr. Soderberg. Most of you probably already know that. Some of you are brand new. And so you'll notice when you log into Canvas that you're going to see a very pared down left-hand margin. A lot of the options that you had available to you during the first grading period are now gone. And part of the reason I'm doing that is because I felt that some students were getting lost in the shuffle. I know as students, oftentimes we are concerned about assignments. And so when we log in, the first thing we click on is assignments. You'll notice that I don't have that option here anymore. Assignments will always be found within the modules. Assignments are found within the modules section. You'll click in to modules and you'll scroll down to the current week, which is grading period 2, week 1. And this is a continuation of the first cities and states and when and where they appeared. This week we're looking at two kingdoms or empires, both of them in Africa. The Axum Kingdom on the Great Horn of Africa, present-day Ethiopia, Somalia. It's on the east coast of Africa on the Indian Ocean side. And Axum is a place that we often don't hear a lot about in our world history textbooks, but it rivaled many of the civilizations that we do hear a lot about, such as ancient China and Greece and Rome and all of those kind of household names when it comes to ancient civilizations. So we have Axum in East Africa and Ghana in West Africa. So what you'll need to do this week is click through the module and learn a little bit about these different places. I'm just going to kind of give us a fast forward tour here. Think of this as your digital textbook. All right, here we go. The assignment. When you turn your assignment in, you will click on Submit Assignment. Okay, link to questions regarding Axum. And here they are, the Axum questions. I want to ask some questions of you students. There's not too many. There are 4 of them. First thing you do when you get a Google Doc from me is you go to File, clicking there, make a copy, put your name in there, or just put copy of Axum questions. Hit OK, and that way you will be able to edit this document. You can type right on it, and then you can turn it into me right here. That's the first assignment. Second assignment is dealing with East Africa today. It's a discussion board question. Discussion board questions, like all assignments, are given 4 points. 4 is an A, 3 is a B, 2 is a C, 1 is a D. Not doing it or doing very poor work is a 0. I encourage you, if you're not happy with or satisfied with a 1, 2, 3, resubmit your work, make corrections, be more thorough in your answers, and I will update your grade to reflect your most recent corrections and things like that. So that's the way the world works. Get something, get feedback from me or your boss, make improvements, resubmit it, get feedback, make improvements, resubmit it until you or the two of us are satisfied with your output. So, having said that, in discussion questions, it's often good to do a little outside research. You are not going to be an expert on East Africa by reading half a dozen pages of content that I provide for you. You're going to have to dig around. Okay? What is going on in East Africa today? What can be done to fix it? So there's problems in East Africa. What are they? How does that relate to the rest of the world? Right? That's your discussion board assignment. Next, we go on with Ghana. And I'm just going to click on modules here, and I'm going to go down again because Ghana, there's Ghana questions here. So, AXM content, AXM questions, East Africa Today discussion board, Ghana content, Ghana questions. Those are your assignments. They're due on the 14th of November, 11:59 p.m. Try to get those done on time and turned in. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact me, and I will talk to you very soon. All right? Take care.